Hello all, welcome to part 3 of Amazon Like series. I am Abhiraj, Senior Mobile App Developer at Suflam Technologies. In the last video, we talked about slots and slot types. In this video, we'll be talking about how to handle multiple intents. So, as in the first video, we have discussed that intents are basically the steps that are required by the boards. So, we'll create another step which asks user if they want it hot or how coffee they want. Is it hot or is it cold? So we'll make another step called coffee temp. And same goes here. We want it to invoke on two statements, that is cold or hot. So these are the two sample utterance which will invoke this current intent, and like a simple message will be entered here which says thank you for the input, your coffee will be prepared accordingly. So this way the process will be, first user will go through this step, will answer this question. Once he or she is done with the answer of this question, this intent will be called, and user will go through this process. In the end, final response will be here which says thank you for your input, your coffee will be prepared accordingly. We click on plus and we click on save intent. We'll start again with building and we'll wait for express testing. So build is ready for express testing. We'll check out the flow again. What kind of coffee you'd like to order? We'll go with a small one. Thank you for your order. Order for small is placed. Okay. One thing here, we haven't modified the response question. So let's go there back and we'll modify the question in the first step. What kind of coffee you like, hot or cold? So this will ask user to type either hot or either cold. We'll save the intent and we'll build it again. Test it out. I will go with small one. Hello, thank you for ordering. Order for small space. What kind of coffee you like, hot or cold? We'll go with cold one. You see, thank you for your inputs. Your coffee will be prepared accordingly. So this way, a standard bot is prepared, handling multiple intents, handling multiple slots, and handling sample utterances to invoke the intent. You can also go with response cards like we explained. You can always go with normal without the response card also. So just a recap will be, intents are basically steps, slots are basically a text field or a way where you can take input from the user. Thank you. In the next video, we'll talk in detail about the Lambda functions and how we can create Lambda functions to invoke responses rather than just directly typing here. That are used basically if we want to show dynamic response based on some conditions. Thank you.